welcome to my channel. In this video I will be making these Minnie Mouse cake pops. I started with crumbled cake and Oreo pieces, then add a little bit of frosting at a time and mix it up until it all comes together and holds its shape. I use a cookie scoop and roll the mixture into a ball and then freeze them for 10 minutes. To make the ears, I used mini Oreos and scraped the cream off, then cut the bottoms with a small round cookie cutter. I melt the chocolate in the Wilton chocolate melting pot. Once melted, I dip the sticks in the chocolate, then push them in the bottom of the cake pop, wipe the excess off with my finger, and repeat for all 6. Then I dip the whole cake pop in the chocolate and gently tap the stick on the edge of the pot while rotating to get the excess chocolate off. And I wipe the extra chocolate off the stick with my finger, then repeat for all 6. I dipped each Oreo in the melted black chocolate and placed them on the cake pops. Then I dipped half of the cake pop in the melted chocolate and gently wipe the excess off the back of the ears and let them dry completely. And using the pink chocolate, I dipped the gum paste bow that's made with 2 hearts and 1 circle and placed it on the cake pop between the ears. And there you have the completed super cute Minnie Mouse cake pops.